Okay, so hello again, everybody. So the singing bowls have finally just come in. I opened it enough to get my mailing address off of the box. So I haven't actually opened it, as you can kind of see. Oh, I have pets under my feet because I always have pets under my feet. Oh! Okay. I should have done the other view. Hold on a moment. I'm gonna give you guys the other view. Okay, there we go. Now you guys can see what I'm seeing, right? Yeah, looks like you can see that. So this is how it's coming. Here are all of the paddle things. I'm sorry guys, I don't know what these are called. I'm still learning all of this stuff. Oh, and there's my one that's covered. There's two of them. Okay. So let's set those right there. Here are the cushions for some of them. Oh, it looks like these are going to be tiny. I need my knife again. Oh. Okay. Oh, come on. There we go. So are the other ones. Oh, these are definitely tiny little things. Oh! Oh, can you still, yeah, you can still see it. Okay. Come on. I don't want to cut through that because I don't know if I'm going to cut into a bowl or not. Because they should be coming in a bag of some kind. Boy, these are wrapped up good. They're not going anywhere. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh! Alright. I've learned to always open these papers. I've learned that. Okay. Oh. Okay, these are bagged in a bag, in a bag, in a bag. Wow. Beautiful bag though. Look at that. How beautiful that is. Can you yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, we're gonna set that right there. That right there. Let's figure out how to get into these now. Oh. Okay, the closer you get to them, the heavier they become. Alright. Now, this is a pet peeve of mine. Things wrapped. Okay, now I'm just slightly confused. I thought these would have been color coordinated. I guess not. Alright. Go that way. Trying to go order of size here. Oh, that's a beautiful one. That one. All right. You know the big one's gonna go there. All right. Okay. Let's take a look at these. These are beautiful. So we got, you can see the little design in there. They all symbolize, can you see? Yep. Oh, Crockpot's talking. They all symbolize one of the chakras. Oh, these are just gorgeous. And then the outside of the bowl, like, look at that. How beautiful is that? And the bigger one here. Ugh. Like, just gorgeous. Now, I am having someone come over later. We gotta set a date. And we're going to cleanse the bowls. So I'll make sure to record that, because I imagine there's some people out there that would love to see that. I had to check with her first, make sure it's okay with her. I can't see why not. But I'm just so excited. Got my own little bowls now. Now if I can just get them to play. Oh. Actually, I wasn't. Anyway. I'll play with that later. But there we go. My new little singing bowls. Oh, I can't wait to get playing with these. So, I guess I hope you guys enjoyed the video and seeing my new little singing bowls here. And I will talk to you again really soon. Bye.